Liawu Lifestyle 2025. Liawu full name Wu Lei, nickname Li Zhao, Li Gi, Li Li, profession actor, famous role Nirvana in Fire, personal life, date of birth 26 December 1999, age 25 years old in 2025, birthplace Shanghai, China, hometown Shanghai, nationality Chinese, alma mater Beijing Film Academy, marital status, married, wife Zhao Lusi, career, he made acting debut in Chinese television drama Everlasting Regard 2006 by sport role. Net worth $5 million. Income detail, salary 12K per episode, agency Wu Lei Studio, social media, Instagram 547K followers, height, weight and body measurements, height 1.82 cm, weight 65 kg, hair color black, eye color also black, body type slim, skin color fair, zodiac sign Capricorn, blood type B positive, religion Buddhism, education qualification production management, ideal type straight hair, big eyes, fine eyebrows, thin, dramas and film, Amidst a Snowstorm of Love 2024, Battle Heavens 2018, Nothing But You 2023, The Virland Girl 2015, The Long World 2021, All Time 2021, Crossfire 2020, Love Like the Galaxy Part 1 2022, Hobbies, reading, bike cycling, swimming, play guitar, planting, basketball, favorite food, fast food, favorite dish, hot pot and coffee, house detail, some pictures his house in China, car collection, some pictures his car,